Introducing the latest LPS 1200 groundwater locator. So the LPS 1200 is a long range positioning system. This is the only groundwater locator which comes with live data recording. The system has two transmitter antennas, one receiver antenna, and with the system holder. So this is the main long range positioning system, and it is a software supported system which comes with Android tablet PC. So we need to turn on the long range positioning system. We have long range survey, settings and reports on the software. First we go to settings. As per our geological condition, we select the amplification. Next we need to start the long range survey. When we start the long range survey, we need to authenticate the system. Once we authenticate, it scans to connect with the system. Once the system gets connected, we can select the front range where we have 500 meters, 1000 meters and 2000 meters. So the depth range we have 200 meter, 400 meter, 600 meter, 800 meter, 1000 meter and 1200 meters. So based on the area we select the depth range. So next we need to select the sensor to connect to the long range positioning system. Once we select the sensor, the communication interface takes place in between the long range system and the software. We authenticate by giving the password for connection. Once it is connected, we have a auto scan mode. In the auto scan mode, the system starts operating, wherein the frequencies are collected and we can follow up as per the long range system's position. And it is a auto scan mode with the GPS latitude and longitude displayed on the Android system. So when we get the exact point,